Vultures are considered different from all other birds because they truly are unique. The highest recorded flight in history was made by the Rupel's vulture, which was spotted at an incredible altitude of 37,000 feet over Ivory Coast in 1973. At such extreme heights, most other birds wouldn't even be able to survive because of the lack of oxygen. Even airplanes usually fly at an average altitude of around 35,000 feet. When it comes to food, vultures are also completely different from other birds because they feed on rotting meat. They can even digest bones easily, with bones making up nearly 80 to 90% of their diet, something most other birds are simply incapable of doing.